Hi, my name is Ishaq. In today's video, we are going to learn how to take users input. Well, for this, we have another built-in function, which is input. So we will call this function input. Now remember one important thing about this function, that when interpreter reaches at the line where this function has been called, program execution freezes. The code that is below from the line in which it has been called is not executed until user presses enter, and whatever he has typed will be saved or collected in string data type. Now, in order to hold what user has typed, we need to store this input function in a variable like that. Now, after that, program will greet that person. Hi, then whatever the name is, like that. Now let's check our code. Now program has allowed me to enter text, so I will type my name, Ishaq, and it greeted me. Now I need a caption to the input or a label to the input entry so that the user can know what he has to type or what the program is asking him to enter. So for this, we will simply use here a print function. Print type your name. Type your name. Now it will print first the string, then input function will be called. So it will be just like it's a label, inputs label, like that. Now what if I need the caption in the same line where user types? Well, for this we have to do a trick, which is to change the print function's default end value, which is a new line character, to space. N is equal to space. Now the label will be in the same line where user types, like that. Now you don't need to do such stuff. You can simply pass this string into this input function, and it will use that provided string to prompt the user. And now it will be the same. Type your name, Ishaq. Hi, Ishaq. This was how can you use input function and how you can allow users to interact with your program. It was very simple. In this case, I typed Ishaq. Program was waiting there. So when I pressed enter, Ishaq was collected in string data type. So it was just as name is equal to Ishaq. Then script continued, and there was only one line, which was to print the person and greet him. This was how you can use input function, and that was our end of video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.